Welcome to our most recently completed project here at Plum Kitchens, and it really has been a transformation on this one. We started off with quite a dark room and a layout that really didn't work for the customer. But through using everything we do here with our internal alterations, with fitting a roof lantern, changing the window layout, even making this opening bigger, it really has made a massive transformation. It's so much brighter in here. The customer gets the kitchen they really wanted, and it really has given new life to this house. We have totally opened up this space and given them so much more storage. If you want to look for a similar transformation in your space, please get in touch.